You're going to bring the ball up to the top by spraying water into this hole right here. Okay, so Janie's red and Mommy's
So when you put the water here, the ball will come from here and top. So you guys have a challenge to do that, right?
Yes.
Okay, let's do it. Let's see how it's gonna do.
Then let's start it.
Okay, let's start. Okay,
Again, here.
you gotta do it here. Okay, press, press, press. Don't play. Play with mommy. Play with mommy. Let's see who's winning. Who's winning? Jenny, leave that. Jenny, leave that and do it. Leave that and pump the water. Oh yeah, Jenny pumping hard now. Jenny pumping hard. Oh look, 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 look. Jenny winning.
The ball is going. Your
Jenny
ball
winning.
Is going up.
Jenny is winning. Jenny's winning.
Jenny's winning. Mommy's winning.
Oh, mom is winning now. Mom is winning now. Wow, Jenny is winning. Oh, now Jenny winning. No, Jenny winning. Jenny winning. Jenny winning. Jenny winning. Jenny winning. Jenny winning. Oh, blue is low. Jenny. Oh my God, Jenny won the race. Jenny won the challenge.
Jenny won. High five. Okay,
Ooh.
so since Mommy lost it, then you gotta support Mommy with that because Mommy lost the game. So you have to let Mommy. For your water.
So it stopped. Okay. Thanks for playing, guys. It was a nice game. Say bye-bye, Jenny.
Bye-bye.
Okay, you can continue it in the middle.
Say,